Good morning, boys and girls. This will be the Understanding Key Details, number 11, and it's titled A Cookout with Dad. It was a 4th of July tradition for Carter's dad to slow cook ribs on the grill. Since he was 3, Carter had begged his dad to let him help. It wasn't until this year, when he was 10, that Dad finally said he was old enough to get near the grill. Carter was surprised to see how messy it was putting the raw meat on the grill, but he was even more surprised that it took hours for the meat to cook. After they set it on the grill racks, Dad gave him a bowl of sauce and a utensil that looked like a paintbrush. Use the brush to baste or paint the ribs with the sauce, Dad told Carter. He put it on, then set a timer. Every half hour, he would need to go out and baste the ribs again. Finally, after 4 hours of cooking, the ribs started to look crispy. Dad grabbed his oven mitt from the kitchen drawer and used tongs to get the ribs off of the grill. As soon as Mom took one bite of the ribs, she said that they were the best ribs Dad had ever made. Carter was sure they were the best because he had helped to make them. Number 1. Who said the ribs were the best ribs ever made? Make sure you use race when answering the question. Don't just put Mom. You need to put Mom said the ribs were the best ribs ever made. I have to restate the question. Number 2. What surprised Carter about making the ribs? What surprised Carter about making the ribs? Number 3. Where did Dad get the oven mitt from before he took the ribs off the grill? Where did Dad get the oven mitt from before he took the ribs off the grill? Number 4. When did Carter start asking Dad to help him grill the ribs? When did Carter start asking Dad to help him grill the ribs? Number 5. How did Carter baste the ribs? How did Carter baste the ribs? And number 6, why didn't Carter's dad help him before he turned 10? Why didn't Carter's dad let him help before he turned 10? Why didn't Carter's dad let him help before he turned 10? That is all for this morning work. Make sure you go back and listen to the passage if you need to.